Don't you have the time for shopping? Cannot drive your car or carry your groceries because you're old? You cannot go outside because of the pandemic? Does everyone refuse to go shopping with you? You don't want to stay on the line waiting for purchasing your groceries? If so, this is the best solution for everything. Just sit anywhere you wish, grab your laptop, iPad, or even your phone. Open your browser and type vmgroceries.com or go to Google and type VM Groceries. And you will see an amazing website where you can find all your needs and buy your daily essentials. 100% price guaranteed, same-day delivery, quality products, easy access to the website, variety of payment methods, more than 5,000 products. Once you're in the website, please do an one-time sign up. This will help you to check your previous orders, and you don't have to add your delivery address each time. Also, you will receive any coupons or promo codes through your email. Then choose your products by categories or search by the search bar and add your needs through the cart using Add Cart button. Select the quantity using the plus or minus buttons and click Add to Cart. Click on the cart icon and check out your orders. Once you're in checkout, you can view your orders by View Shopping Cart. After everything finalized, you can proceed with clicking on the checkout button. If you're a new customer, it will ask you to fill up your address and other information for one time, and it will be saved on our system. When you come back next time, just sign in with your email and username. And all your information will be ready for you to access. Then you choose your address and select the payment method, cash on delivery, pay with your credit card, transfers, PayPal. You can pay online with your cards also. Placing the order is very easy, right? Then what do you wait for? Try out the new way of groceries shopping and let us know about your opinion through the feedback. You order, and we will deliver in the same day.